These are the least useful things I packed as a solo traveler. The first was this metal straw. Because of my ADHD, I never had it with me, so it never got used. Next was an emergency poncho. You can tell from the packaging that this is vintage. I've been hauling this around for, I don't know, maybe 20 years. And at this stage, I can't even be sure if it's going to protect me from the rain, so it's actually going to stay behind. Next, I brought some elastic workout bands with me, and this is a me thing, but I pretty much never use them. We all have this fantasy self of what we're going to be doing in our free time, and in my head I was going to be doing a lot more of this, but I wasn't. That's not to say I won't in the future. Next was this silk scarf. Maybe this is the fantasy self thing again, but I was thinking if I had these neutral outfits, I could use this as a pop of color, but I never did. I also thought, oh, maybe I could put it in my hair and that went cute. I think I did once. Maybe I was trying to channel my 90s Euro chick. Next was a pack of cards. For some reason, I thought I might run into people and we could play cards, but it never happened, so it's weight I didn't need to carry. Next were these plastic containers. I thought in my head that if I was moving around, if I wanted to take a little bit of soy milk with me or something, I could, but honestly, I never did. The only thing I've used it for is like I have some instant coffee and I just put it in here for extra protection. Next are these breath strips. I thought I might use them, but again, I'm traveling solo and they're nasty. They are chemicals to me, so I'm gonna leave them behind. Next, I brought some Velcro fastenings. Like, they're tiny and they're lightweight, but literally I don't know what I was gonna use them for, so I didn't need to bring these. In joint place is this nail polish and nail polish remover pads. Look, these are awesome for travel, but I thought I was going to be doing more pedicures because I was going to be running around in flip-flops, but because it's such a neutral color, honestly, I didn't care whenever it chipped, so I think I've used this twice in months. So again, I could have saved some space and some weight. And then this is such a vanity thing. If you don't know what you're looking at, they are essentially little stickers that scaffold your eyelids. So if you have droopy eyelids like I do, it will give you more of a crease here. I think I spent some stupid money on these. I don't know why I thought it mattered. I'm 51 and I hear it all the time. I kind of sick of hearing it. I don't look 51 and I know that. It's primarily genetic. There's probably some other lifestyle factors. And I have zero problem with aging. I haven't had any work done other than some laser resurfacing to help with my acne scarring and pores, and that has helped a little bit. They did go over my crow's feet, and I should have asked them not to because I didn't really have crow's feet to begin with, so now it's like there's nothing there. So, but I genuinely, everything moves. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the most useful things I packed, and I hope you'll tune in.